Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Volvo XC90 rear light. First, open your tailgate to gain full access to the light assembly. You'll then see two retaining screws that secure the light. Grab your Torx T25 screwdriver and carefully remove both of these screws. Keep them safe, as you'll need them for reinstallation later. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid forcing it. Next, locate the electrical connector on the back. Press the small tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart. Make sure all the wiring is completely free before you fully remove the light unit from its housing. With the light assembly detached, you can now access the bulbs. Simply twist the bulb holders counterclockwise to release them. Replace any faulty bulbs with new ones of the correct wattage and type. Before reassembly, take a moment to clean the light housing and inspect the rubber gasket for any signs of wear or damage. A good seal is important. To reinstall, first reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully align the light assembly with its opening and push it firmly back into the vehicle. Make sure it sits flush. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws using your Torx T25 screwdriver. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. This ensures your light is secure and ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.